tunnel. Woo! Woo! Next project. See, this is this side of the garage. Part of it it's attached to the house, so where it is attached from here they put insulation, fiberglass all the way, and part of it it was covered with paper, but that paper over time got destroyed. So I want to cover it pretty much temporarily, because what I should do is buy fireproof drywall and cover this whole wall, but that's a huge project. I mean, don't have funds now for that. So, kind of strange World War II aeroplane. Where is it? Sounds like a bomber. Whoa. So anyway, I bought this insulation, and just gonna roll it up. Perfect. Oh, I chose the widest one that they had. Perfect. That will cover this, and this is, I think, 7 meters long. Sometimes it's easier in meters. 7.6 meters, so this is probably 3.5 meters, so 3.5 times 2, that's 7 exactly. So I will cover this whole part. Maska, just for extra protection, because it's fiberglass.
Yep. Yep. I tak, tak. 1, 2, 3. Teraz dały to na cholera jasna. Jasny gwint. My father's obtained. This is for a chimney inspection tool, so that I don't make a bordello here. Otherwise I could step in on a nail, and that would be very bad.
I received this chair from Hamid Farzai. Bawić z kleszczami. From the very top, this will be here. 105. 105 exactly. 105 here. Mom. Should have washers, but we'll see. We can always change them. But I already like it. No woman in the house, so no one will complain. So this is finito, finished. Oh, it looks better. Not much better, but better. Yeah. At least it's covered in more nails. But I should get either proper nails or use some kind of larger washers. Oh, this is much better now. See, when I drive in with the car and I open the door, even if I brush on the wall, now it's aluminum and not fiberglass. So, it's not by far, it's not the greatest job. I did this very quickly without much of philosophizing, whatever. Wrong nails, but it holds, so I just use these nails and just nick them. It's probably temporary solution, because I'm gonna eventually put a sheetrock here, but that's kind of a big project. What I have found, there's mysterious abandoned suitcase, and I have a couple theories about it. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, kurde. Oh, here it is. See? This is the suitcase. And my suspicion is that there may be $1 million in bills inside of it. It's been ever since I bought this house. Always here. I don't know. I'm still afraid of opening it. Has key lock. I don't think there are keys there. Oh, the other one is opened. So that is the bonus, the surprise. Okay, there's a bag. Some wood here.